Guys, I have something to tell you guys. It's very important. And it's probably gonna affect me and possibly affect you. I know it already affected me, because it already did affect me.
Dude, I'm gonna get Broski.
Where's Broski?
That line might give you $3. That line might give you money.
It's so hard to Oh shit!
Oh my god, he's stuck!
I ain't stuck. I ain't never been stuck.
Stop trying to get my bill.
You said I'm stuck. Hey, yo, put those hands up!
Dude, I will record you.
Your purple ass.
Put the tacos down! Put the tacos down!
Give it back.
Yo, put the tacos down! Put the gun down! Put the gun down!
Don't give it. It's not nice.
It's not noise. That's not noise. Okay. I recently got this little thing called a blicky. It's a little blicky. It is not too hard to get, but like... Yeah, it's cool. It's kind of empty. It's not too hard to get. The way that I got it is that somebody gave it to me. But, so you can do it by getting a moderator, having a modder, or getting somebody on the Discord, or having somebody in your lobby give it to you. There's no really way to like get it, like finding it, but you can get it from other people. It's the rarest item in the game currently, other than like other secret items that I don't have. But other than that, it's like it's cool. So what you want to do to get into the Discord? Boom. Tap the link. Sign into Discord if you haven't. Join their Discord. Go into the Find Your Company and just ask people, hey, can you guys help me get a revolver? And then I'll help you. We're going to get people reactions to my revolver because it's so cool. I'm so cool. I'm so cool. Sorry to be a jerk, but I gotta go to work.
Why is there just a holy gun on my face?
Because why do we need that much?
Yo, how much money do you have? I have $100. I just got this.
Supposed to duplicate with me. Hurry, wait, how'd you get the revolver? Is that related?
I want to kill.
Yo, do you want to duplicate with me?
How do you play?
I will give you some revolvers. I'll give you revolvers.
How do you play? I just got this game.
No, you. Please.
You. Blue.
Please.
Blue with the get.
I'll give you.
How do you play? I just got this game. I don't know how to play.
Or they just
Is
that a
please, please give me the creator badges.
Yeah, well, you just stole my shit, man.
I choose not to use it.
I don't care.
Because he is slow.